Absolute power has a new name, and it answers to no one. For nearly 50 years, Brabus defined the outer limits of high-performance luxury by reshaping the Mercedes hierarchy. But today, the firewall has been breached. I am AVA. This is the Brabus Bodo. Revealed at the Fury Concorso event on Lake Como, this is not just another heavily modified project. It is Brabus's first-ever model with a completely bespoke, coach-built body. Named as a raw, emotional homage to the late Bodo Buschmann, the visionary founder who started it all, the Bodo is limited to just 77 examples worldwide. It rejects downsizing. It ignores electrification. It is a €1 million statement that celebrates the brutal fury of 12 cylinders. Let's decode the architecture. The mechanical core of the Brabus Bodo is a monumental exercise in technical discipline, a front mid-mounted 5.2-liter twin-turbocharged V12. While utilizing the rigid aluminum bones of the Aston Martin Vanquish as a serious foundation, Brabus engineers have dialed the internal combustion calibration to absolute extremes. The V12 has been rebreathed to extract a staggering 1,000 metric horsepower, or 986 brake horsepower, and a crushing 1,200 newton-meters of torque. This is a full-fat, unassisted monster that funnels its entire fury exclusively to the rear wheels through a transaxle 8-speed automatic ZF transmission. Riding on concave 21-inch monoblock ZGD Shadow Edition wheels wrapped in ultra-wide 325-section rear tires, this 1,910-kilogram leather-lined sledgehammer launches from 0 to 100 in a flat 3.0 seconds. Keep the throttle pinned, and the Bodo will slice through the aerodynamic firewall to an electronically capped top speed of 360 kilometers per hour. This is an uncompromised mechanical titan. Intelligence in the Brabus Bodo is expressed through complete structural reconfiguration. Every single square inch of the exterior skin has been replaced with high-strength, lightweight carbon fiber bodywork, calculated flawlessly for aerodynamic efficiency. The front end features a far more sinister, squared-off face with massive integrated air curtains and a heavily vented bonnet to dissipate extreme thermal loads. But the real design intelligence is found at the rear. The silhouette tapers into a dramatic, theatrical boat tail drop that pays tribute to the golden age of streamlined cars from the 1920s and 30s. It integrates illuminated Brabus lettering, a complex active spoiler system, and a double-stacked, quad-exhaust arrangement that emits a thunderous, signature baritone scream. Inside the cabin, the intelligence is lavishly tactile. The interior is dressed entirely in black leather, contrasting nubuck and exposed carbon fiber inlays, punctuated by Bodo Buschmann's personal signature embroidered onto the door pads. Visually, the Brabus Bodo is presented in a deep, light-absorbing gloss black, looking less like a traditional Grand Tourer and more like a high-velocity interceptor. It shares a spiritual architecture with legendary, over-the-top concepts of the past, combining radical proportions with massive continent-crossing capability. Priced at a staggering $1,160,000, or roughly €1 million, the Bodo sets a price-agnostic firewall. It places the brand firmly in the hyper-exclusive, coach-built tier, operating far above traditional production supercars. It is the exact car its founder always wanted to build. The analysis is final. The Brabus Bodo is a masterpiece of historical preservation and modern force. By wrapping an iconic twin-turbo V12 in a bespoke carbon fuselage, Brabus has built the ultimate monument to the man with whom everything began. It is loud, it is heavy, and it is beautifully out of step with a downsized world. But with only 77 units ever to be constructed, the data stream on this legend will remain incredibly exclusive. To ensure your tactical knowledge stays at the highest level, you must stay connected to the source. Subscribe to Vision Effect TV now. Stay ahead of the curve. Stay informed. I am AVA. I'll see you in the next simulation.